Good morning to all of you. Now we are dealing with a case of contempt, the contents of the Courts Act 1971, right? So you are well aware that recently this Honorable Supreme Court of India, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Madam Indira Banerjee, so they granted temporary bail to Mr. Arnab Goswami, the chief editor of Republic TV, of course, which was in the initial stage rejected by the state, the Bar Council, the High Court of Maharashtra, right? So anyway, the court granted bail. In this connection, of course, it is Article 19 says about the freedom of expression. So many people have commented, but anyway, one of the most dangerous comments is on by Mr. Kunal Kamra. You may be knowing, he is a stand-up comedian. Previously, he killed at Arnab Goswami while in the flight, and of course, action was taken by that time. But now, once again, when he was given bail, this man sarcastically commented about Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. He stated that Chandrachud is acting like a flight attendant of first class people. What they will say, the first class people, the flight attendant will look into the will take care of the first class customers first. So he will invite them very warmly, then he will supply the food or he will supply the drinks, whatever they want, and he did not care the junior general class passengers who are, whether they will board the flight, whether they are not boarding the flight, he is not bothered. That means he is only taking care of the high profile people. So it is an indication that Justice Chandrachud is taking up only cases of that. So okay, he can criticize, but at the same time he can, yes, he has asked him, what about the other cases, like the journalist from Kerala who wanted to visit that Athra's place. He was booked under sedition, and when he approached for bail in the High Court, it was posted 4 weeks. So many Varavara, all other things, they were also languishing in jail. The Supreme Court is not considering them. So with all these things, he has commented very badly against the Supreme Court of India. So not only that, he has he has exposed or he has published a banner containing Supreme Court on normally the tricolor flag, that is national flag, will be waving on the Supreme Court, but he has shown waving the so-called BJP flag, and Supreme Court was also swathed in the so-called saffron color. That means indicating that Supreme Court is acting under the, just like a BJP agent, like that, meaning like that. So they are very serious. So friends, 2 law students and 1 intern, they have requested the Attorney General, Sri K.K. Venugopal, to grant permission to take him under contempt of the Courts Act, because his tweets are so dangerous. They are demeaning the Supreme Court, they are scandalizing the court. Therefore, they wanted to take action against Kunal Kamra. Yes, Supreme Court, this Attorney General, he said, okay, you can proceed. But still, Kunal Kamra, he did not retract for his tweet. He did not say sorry. He did not apologize. And he says in a letter addressed to the judges and Attorney General, he says, my view has not changed, because the silence of the Supreme Court of India on the matters of other personal liberty cannot go uncriticized. That means he wanted to criticize. I do not intend to retract my tweets or apologize for them. I believe the tweets they speak from themselves. That's why what he says is no apology. It has been yes, in some place, in some news also it has come. I wish to volunteer, having the would be allotted. Okay, anyway, he said. Right? He says he is not going to apologize. It's a waste of time. No apology, nothing like that. You can proceed with the case. So it shows his tough stand. Of course, the Supreme Court has not so far decided to do anything. No lawyers, no apology, no fine, no waste of space. So don't discuss about that is what he wanted to say, right? So this plea was filed by lawyer students Srirang Katnesh Savarkar or Katnesh Varkar and Nitika Duhan. and the intern advocate is Ame Abhay Sirsikar. Okay, the names are a bit confusing even to pronounce also. But anyway, Attorney General has already stated that they are not humor, they are in bad state, and they has clearly crossed the line between humor and contempt of the court. Definitely, he is liable for contempt of the court. Of course, definitely action may be taken against him because the scandalous tweets of the contemner, they were seen by his followers and many of them retweeted the same also. It was shared and accounted. So the petitioners, that means the law students, thought that the tweets published by Mr. Kunal Kamra, they scandalize this honorable court and further lower the authority of this court. So definitely it was permitted, and of course definitely they will take him to the contempt of court. And of course one thing, so section 12 of the Contempt of Court Act, you may be knowing, it gives punishment 6 months or 2,000 fine. Of course, the people like the chief ministers or political persons, if they are punished in the contempt of court, they will lose their post. What Kunal Kamra will lose the post. But anyway, we should not take it lightly. But please remember, this type of scandalous remarks against the court should not be encouraged. That's why I am telling it. Otherwise, there is no such a great thing about Kunal Kamra. Or okay, let him tweet whatever he likes, but he should not disclose the flag, saying that Supreme Court is wearing the saffron flag and the tricolor, in place of tricolor flag. He has published the so-called BJP flag. All things, they are dangerous. You can criticize. Okay, I am not satisfied with the judgment of the Supreme Court. Of course, what about the other people? It has been done, but he has done in a bad taste, and definitely it is demeaning the court. Of course, let us wait and see what action will be taken against him. Thank you.